Hello and welcome. In this particular video course, we're going to talk about effective ways to be productive and getting things done. So first and foremost, what I want to do is we are going to talk about the premise of this video course, and that is we're going to show you the importance of planning and how planning contributes to getting things done and making your everyday of your life more worthwhile. So whether you're trying to be more productive in your personal life, which actually creates a domino effect into your career and into your business if you run one, then being able to be proactive and be productive in these areas are going to help you across the board. So what I want to do right now is just talk about a quick video's overview of what's inside this video so you know exactly what to expect. And when you know what to expect, it's going to be a lot easier in terms of getting things done. So first and foremost, this is obviously the introduction, and the video after this, video number 2, we're going to talk about the productivity mind map, and that mind map is going to break things down for you so that it's going to be a lot easier for you to understand and for the implementation part. And then, of course, video number 3, we're going to talk about defining your priorities by utilizing a time management matrix. Now, believe it or not, time management actually intertwines into productivity. So, organizing your time, prioritizing it, which I'll talk about in just a minute, will allow you to simplify everything. And of course, in video number 4, we're going to talk about how to schedule and create your own to-do list, and that'll allow you to really prioritize and systemize everything so that you can complete projects easier. So rather than trying to complete the whole project, we can break them up into baby steps and make it more applicable. And that brings us to video number 5, and we're going to talk about the 80-20 rule, which will allow you to spend 20% of your time and receive 80% of the results. And I'll show you exactly how that works in that particular video. And of course, in video number 6, we're going to talk about productivity tools that we have tested after time and figured out what works and what hasn't. So you get to find out what works and why it works. And we'll show you the tools in action and how to embed them into your life and into your systems. And that brings us to video number 7. Is Wunderlist is one of the tools that we will be using. Don't worry, it is free, and we'll walk you through step by step on how to use that effectively. And of course, in video number 8, we're going to talk about Evernote, which is a free tool to creating notes, and we'll show you how to organize and how to really effectively use that in application to productivity. And of course, last but not least, we have video number 9, which is productivity habits. We want to make sure that before you leave the end of this video course, that you have the right habits and you can implement them into your life so that they become part of your life. And of course, last but not least, we have tools that you're going to need to apply what you have learned in this video course. And that is a diary. So whether you have a paper, pencil diary, a physical one, or you have a digital one, such as your iPhone or your smartphone, or even your computer, you definitely want to keep track and document everything that you do. And then number 2, you're going to need to have access to a calendar, regardless of that being a paper calendar or a calendar like Google Calendar that is on your phone. And then of course, you have to have a checklist, Wunderlist, which is a tool, and Evernote, which is a tool as well. And in addition to that, we are going to be using a time management timer tool called the Pomodoro Timer. And you'll see exactly why that helps you get things done a lot faster. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2 and talk about the productivity mind map.